If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here, and today I'm at Silver Dollar City here in Branson, Missouri, where I'll be reviewing Molly's Mill restaurant. Let's check it out. Okay, so I have to make this quick because I don't have too much footage inside the restaurant. This is open for both breakfast and the lunch buffet, or slash the dinner buffet. I had the dinner buffet at the time period is about $17.99 per person. It does change throughout the year depending on what type of items they have and things like that. But for mine, again, it was $17.99 per person for the full buffet, which did include a drink and of course unlimited food. Now, just to quickly put it out there for people that's not familiar with me, so I have been to 85 theme parks as of this video, and I have done hundreds of restaurant reviews all over the world. This was probably the best food that I've ever had inside of a theme park. And I will just say, yes, I am a Southern person. Even though I was born in Jersey, I grew up in North Carolina, and I currently live in Central and West Florida. And so, either way, I know my Southern food, and this was phenomenal. And not only that, but even the pricing. I mean, again, I live in Florida, so I have annual passes to all the theme parks here in Florida, and I mean, you can barely get a bottle of water for under $10. So to get an entire meal for under $20 plus a drink, I mean, you cannot beat the price and the food that's there. Man, it's incredible. Now, as you all can see in these short clips that I have, this is what I got on my plate. Again, they have a lot of different options: chicken, fish, pot pie, mashed potatoes, green beans. I mean, just your typical Southern food is going to be offered at this location. And also the service as well. I mean, they were so nice and friendly. They were actually closed when I was walking by, and I just peeked my head in. They was like, oh, we still got food left over. We could bring out some more food. And so they actually did. So they actually reopened just to allow me to eat. They had no idea I was doing a video review or anything like that. So that's not what was going on. But just that Southern mentality, Southern hospitality, it was in full force with the food and also with the customer service. And that's honestly the main reason why I don't have that much footage, because I was trying to hurry up and eat so they can go home, because I could tell they were packing up. So I'll give my rating. This is definitely going to be a must-do. I mean, if you want to try any restaurant in Silver Dollar City, they have so much food here. Make sure it's Molly's Mill, because oh my God, it was so good. And again, the price can't be beat. I mean, I would not do this and then go ride rides. Either do it when you first get there if you want to sit down and just kind of chill, or do it right before you leave like I did. Either way, I highly recommend this restaurant. Please look out for my full tour for this theme park. Now, I did get all the footage I needed. Silver Dollar City did invite me out there to take some footage, so I can't wait for you all to see this video. It's MrBucketlist. I'll see you soon.